I'm Casey Williams from Williams Law. A common concern we hear from people about placing a claim for a property insurance loss is that they're afraid that their insurance premiums might go up next year if they make a claim this year, okay? Now, we think that's kind of a faulty logic for a couple reasons, and I'll run through them here for you real quick. Okay, number one, you have this person with a $50,000 loss, okay? $50,000 loss to their house, and they're afraid to put in a claim for that because their premiums next year might go up $100, okay? So doing kind of a cost-benefit analysis, you have a possible $50,000 claim here that you get reimbursed on and make your insurance repairs, or you could just swallow those repairs yourself and save $100 maybe next year on your premiums, which doesn't really make sense. Okay, so that's number one. All right, could the cost-benefit analysis make the claim, get benefits out of the policy which you paid for? Okay. Number two is, what causes premiums to rise is if the insurance company sees that their exposure or risk is higher on a piece of property, all right? Now, if a piece of property is damaged and not repaired, their risk is higher. So they're definitely gonna charge you higher premiums for that piece of property. Now, if the property is repaired and as good as new again, well, there's no reason to raise the rates because that's a lesser risk for the insurance company and they have no valid reason to raise your actual premiums in the property, okay? And number three is, they're gonna raise your rates anyway. They do every year, okay? So if they're gonna raise your rates like they do every year, might as well get the benefit in the policy and get your house repaired. Why should you have to pay for the cost of doing these repairs when you've been paying premiums for all these years, okay? So, like I say, we have no crystal ball on these things. We're not an underwriting department for the insurance company, but I can tell you, the benefits of making your insurance claim way outweigh any possible increases in the premium as a result of making that insurance claim. Now, my name is Casey Williams. Our firm is Williams Law. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call and we'll help you out as best we can.